Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place and welcome to another luxury handbag unboxing. I am so excited to bring you this today. This is a Gucci, as you can see. Some gorgeous packaging too. Got dented up here a little bit in shipment, but it's okay. Anyway, I have here the Gucci Ophidia GG Supreme shoulder bag in a small. And I cannot wait to see her. I've seen the pictures and they are just gorgeous. So I cannot wait to see it in person. I have her in the ebony and beige canvas. So let's get on into this. I almost hate to take it out of the box. It's so pretty, but let's see here. Look at that. I love this brown. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. That is so nice. Let me get all the plastic and all the packaging, wrap and everything off of her and I'll be back. So here she is, the Gucci Ophidia GG Supreme shoulder bag in a size small. Gorgeous. She was beautiful in pictures, beautiful in person. I love this brown trimming. It's just classic. It's the classic Gucci, and it has the classic shiny gold Gucci emblem. Love that. And of course it has the gold zipper, has the gold hardware, and has these long little tassels on the end. So cute. So cute. So let me open her. Let me get into her, but let me show you her up close and personal. So there she is, and there's a side view. Hope I have that in focus. And this is the back. That's the back. And then this is the bottom. And I can tell you now, you guys, this is the top also. The stitching is impeccable. There's not anything out of place. Just amazing. I cannot see anything out of place. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And she comes with the classic green and red web stripe on the front and on the back. So let me open her up. Like I said, that beautiful brown outline and trim. And I forgot to show you this brown top handle. So we'll get to that in a second. But I have her unzipped, and she has some stuffing in her, some more packaging. Let's see. Feels like Christmas to me. That's more stuffing. And here is, again, the green and red web print, the web stripe. Love that. Basically like a camera strap. And this is in gold. Of course, the hardware is in that pretty shiny gold. And it has the Gucci. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to make it so you can see it. But it says Gucci on the hardware. Nice. And it has that brown trim. It's also on the bottom of the strap. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I love it. So let me connect. Well, no, I'm going to show you the inside of the bag first, and then I'll connect the straps. So, but it's nice and roomy. And it has a zippered pocket here with the brown trim on the inside. And then also a pocket here. And this is the front of the bag. So the pocket, the inside pocket with no zipper is on the front of the bag. And the zippered pocket is toward the back of the bag. So hopefully you can see that. And it has kind of like the envelope opening here. It doesn't allow it to fall all the way open. So I like that. And that open, and that's that back pocket. This is like a suede material. It's kind of like a peachy canvas type of suede, and it feels so nice and soft on the inside. I really love that. So you do want to protect the inside of your bag. If you have makeup and different things, make sure you put it in pouches or little separate bags so it won't mess up the inside. That is gorgeous. I would hate to get an ink pen or anything on the inside of this bag, or lipstick or something like that. So make sure you protect the inside of your bag. Let me zip her back up. So it zips very easily. Okay, I want the Gucci towards the outside, of course. I'm gonna hook her there and hook her up right here. Okay, got her hooked up. And there she is. The strap is long. Very nice. It's very sturdy. The bag is very well constructed. The strap is very well constructed too. It's nothing light, fly by night. It's very sturdy. So it's easy to zip, easy to unzip. Love that about the bag, because you don't want, you know, that. This is very smooth. So before I take you over and give you some mod shots or some modeling poses, I am going to measure her on camera for you. So she is, let's see here. I have to turn her around, sorry. 10 inches across. And she is, let's see here, 8 inches high. Hopefully you can see that. 8 inches high. And then from front to back, how wide she is, front to back, she is 3 inches. Yep, 3 inches. I love her size. So many things can fit in here. But we're going to get up and go do some modeling shots for you to see how far she comes down, because she's a crossbody also. So I'm going to show you how far she comes down on my body. I am 5'3" and 3/4. Almost 5'4", but not quite. And I'm going to show you how far she comes down on me with the crossbody look and just the regular shoulder bag hang. So I was a little concerned when first looking at the bag. I didn't think it was going to go with a lot of things in my wardrobe, but you can wear this with many colors. You can wear it with taupes, beiges, creams, green, red, blushes, and pinks, and browns. So you have a wide array of colors to wear it with to complement the bag. Alright guys, so those were the mod shots for the Gucci Ophidia GG Supreme shoulder bag, and this is in a size small. I hope they kind of gave you an idea where the bag could hang on you. And another video is coming up right after this one, because I want to show you what can fit inside. So don't click off, click on the video, and we're going to see what can fit inside the GG Ophidia GG Supreme. So click right here.